Hey everybody, Tone here. I'm super excited. I am officially in my new apartment in Texas. I'm just like taking it all in. So I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour, okay? This is bare minimum. As you can see, I still have boxes. I'm gonna do a video of me unboxing everything that I got so far. Also so I can figure out like what boxes I still need. And I also have groceries coming. Right now it's 12:05. I can't hear it in my left ear, so if I sound a little weird, that's why. I guess the pressure from the plane, y'all. The plane ride in itself was a story time. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started because what? So that's my front door. And then in this place, I have the washer and dryer. Super nice. And then this is the closet. So this will be my coat closet slash, mops, brooms, and stuff like that. That's perfect. And then this is, I love this like doorway. Like, I love that it's like its own space. The washer and dryer is here. That's the kitchen, and then this is the living space. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna set up my TV and stuff, but there's a nice bookcase there. And I'm right by the pool. Yes. Okay, so this is the living space, and then this is the kitchen area, so we're gonna go in there. But this is the patio, so I'm gonna show you this little patio balcony area. And I love that I'm on the first floor. Okay, and you can see the pool on that side, but I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this area. So excited, y'all. And then I'm gonna put my desk area. This is gonna be the study area, slash dining area, I think. I don't know. This is my bed. It's just there because for right now. Trash, there's valet trash. This is my kitchen. Oh my god, it's detachable, super cute. Okay, freezer. This is the dishwasher. Love that. Love that for me. Look at this. And then there's water. I was worried about that, but there's water. Love the fridge, y'all. Love the fridge. And then this hallway leads to the bathroom. And the bathroom is insane. Like, what? Okay, come on this side. Bam. Storage. Okay. Ah! Love my new place. And that's just like storage. This is the bedroom. Okay, there's my mattress. And then look at the closet. Closet space is unreal. I've never had this much space before. So yeah, this is my apartment, y'all. I'm so excited and I'm so thankful. Can't wait to see all the amazing memories I'm gonna make in this new place. In this new state. I'm just so grateful, y'all. Like, you guys don't even understand. Oh wow, there's a dog up there. I'm already like, wow, my neighbors. So I'm just excited for this journey, and I love my location. Like, it's just this, God is just great, y'all. And yeah, I'm about to unbox everything, so you'll be seeing me soon.
I'm a freak of league, but I can't let a broke nigga beat.
Hey everybody, Tone here. As you can see, I'm in my new apartment. So I wanted to unbox some of the items I got. I do have 2 kitchen items, so I wanted to show you guys as well. And then my bed is over there. My mattress is in my room, so maybe I'll show you guys how I set that up. But someone is coming, like an assembly person is coming on Saturday to set that up. Today is Thursday, May 20th. I just moved to Texas, all the way from New York. Your girl Tone has some exciting things coming up, so I'm just so happy to be here. I'm just so grateful, and I'm so thankful for all the love and support from my family and friends. Yeah, so I just wanted to, unbox some stuff with you guys. I might move the camera up a little bit. I got my Wi-Fi set up, so we're good to go. My ear is, I still can't hear my left ear. I'm hoping it pops soon because it's getting annoying. So let's get started. I got cold, but we're about to unpack this. I'm listening to some music, so we might just cover music. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that mini haul. That's pretty much everything I got so far. I do have 2 deliveries, and I have so much other stuff coming. I can't wait to set up the apartment, y'all. I'm just in love. I feel like I'm not in shock yet. I think when I sit down and really realize that, I'm wow, this is really my new place. So I wanted to show you guys 2 more things that I got before I get back to living. Got an air fryer. I'm so excited. I ordered groceries today too. So I'm gonna try my best to get the kitchen together, but it looks like a hot mess. I'm in the kitchen/living area right now. That's where I put everything. So, and I'm tired already, y'all. And it's 1 o'clock right now. But I'm gonna try to get this together. And then the next thing I got was my pots and pans. I'm so excited. I had the Tasty cookware before. It was an orange set. And I really wanted the all pink set, but they didn't have that. And then I wasn't interested in any of the other colors. Well, they didn't have an all green or all yellow set, but they have this. And yeah, I can't wait to use this. And I'm just so tired right now. I'm really tired. I think I'm gonna get my mattress together because right now I have nowhere to sit other than the kitchen counter. I was sitting on that. earlier today. So I'm gonna set up my bed. Well, I'm just, like I told you guys, they're assembling my actual bed on Saturday. So, you know, we just got the mattress, so I'm just gonna do that. I might get an air mattress because I know I'm gonna have guests anyway, so I might as well just get one now, but we shall see. I'm getting a tripod slash ring light. It's gonna be delivered later on today because it's kind of hard filming just on my iPad. I don't have my ring light anymore, so I'm getting a new one. Yeah, and I'm feeling good, so I'm about to chill, talk to some family and friends, and keep setting up my new home. I also got some more stuff from Target. I just got a box delivered. We're gonna open it, see what's in there, and I'm getting another delivery. So today's exciting, and this is the progress we made. I'm in the bathroom right now, so I'll show you guys that in a second, but who wants to, you know, take these boxes apart? Nobody? All right. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. It's I guess the first full day in my apartment, but I guess my second day here or whatever. But I just got a Walmart delivery. I got this bin for my closet so I can at least put some of my clothes, especially like my socks, underwear, stuff like that. Just, you know, start getting that out of my suitcase. And then I got some of these. This is from Walmart, obviously. Some of these micro cleaning towels. Because I'm tired of using paper towels for every single wipe. 2 packs of these sustainable ones, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I like drinking out of straws, and then I had to get a wig kit, y'all already know. So yeah, I can't wait to start setting things up today. I was able to break down a lot of boxes yesterday. My bed is gonna be assembled tomorrow, and I'm gonna go through all these kitchen stuff that I showed you guys in my haul. I'm gonna like start putting my plates away, knives, like, you know. So today's a kitchen day, okay? I cleaned the bathroom and everything, but today's a kitchen day, so really good. Yeah. Hey everybody, Tony here. So today I'm gonna be setting up my kitchen, kind of, you know, unboxing some of the stuff that's here. And then today's Sunday, so I need to not only start dinner for today and meal prep for the week, but I also need to start getting ready for my new job tomorrow. If you guys saw, I moved in, you guys got the empty apartment tour, and I started unboxing things. So really Saturday was a rest day. Really Saturday and Friday, you know, just tired. I'm in a whole nother time zone. I'm like an hour behind like where I used to live in New York. So just getting adjusted to that time difference, like, you know, just getting adjusted to everything in general. And now I'm living by myself again. So, ooh, excuse me. So yeah, so I'm just trying to readjust to everything. Hopefully within the next couple videos, you guys will see more of my apartment start to blossom. I got some bar stools because I have absolutely no chairs in here. I don't know if you guys can hear the echo in here because there's like barely any furniture like anywhere in my apartment. But my bed did get set up, but I do need a box spring, so learn my lesson there. If you buy a bed, make sure you need a box spring, or just, you know, check into that. So today, like I said, I'm gonna set up my kitchen. The first thing I wanna put away is my dinnerware set. This is the one I got from Target. So what I'm gonna do, it's dishwasher and microwave safe. So I'm just going to literally take them out and put them straight in the dishwasher. So my pots and pans are washed now and I'm drying them. I got this air fryer as well, so I'm gonna set this up and then I'm gonna wash these knives that I got. So as you can see, the theme for my kitchen is like colorful, fun, and then everything else is like black or and gold. So I'm gonna get more stuff for my kitchen to show off that aesthetic. On this side, sorry, got my Truly. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a Nutri chopper, so I'm excited to try it because you can, you know, easily chop up onions and stuff because, you know, we're all about efficiency over here. I have plates, napkins, cups. I'm gonna fill this up with oil. I got my oil here, and here's some just the basic spices that I got. I need to go to the grocery store next weekend. And so I'm gonna make turkey burgers for this week. So I'm gonna put them in these containers. So yeah, I'm really excited. So it's all that I have to set up for my kitchen. And here I have some food as well. And then up here I have my cups. So I'm gonna make some iced coffee. If you want to see that, head to my IG channel. I'm gonna make iced coffee on my IG story. And yeah, so that's that. So I didn't get to film an outro, but I wanted to share some photos. I started my new job and I'm settling in really well. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.